Hey there, history buffs! Welcome back to another deep dive into the past. Today, we're diving into the captivating tale of Bombay Beach, a small, forgotten gem on the eastern shore of California's Salton Sea. This place has a story that's as intriguing as it is unexpected. Picture this. It's the 1950s and 60s, and Bombay Beach is the place to be. A bustling resort town that was the epitome of glamour and leisure. This resort town was buzzing with activity, attracting a whopping 500,000 tourists annually. It even rivaled Yosemite. Families, honeymooners, and adventure seekers flocked here to enjoy the sun, sand, and surf. Celebrities like Frank Sinatra and Bing Crosby were regulars here, soaking up the sun and luxury. It was a hotspot for the rich and famous, a place where Hollywood's elite came to unwind. But how did this desert oasis come to be? What led to the creation of this unlikely paradise in the middle of a desert? Well, in 1905, a canal mishap flooded a dry lake bed, creating the Salton Sea. This accidental sea became a haven for wildlife and a recreational hotspot. With no natural outlet, the water either seeped into the ground or evaporated, causing salinity levels to skyrocket. Over time, the increasing salinity began to take its toll. By the early 1980s, the increasing salinity and agricultural runoff devastated the ecosystem. The once thriving marine life couldn't survive in such harsh conditions. Fish died off, birds vanished, and the once thriving resort town transformed into a ghost town almost overnight. The vibrant community that once was faded into a haunting silence. Fast forward to recent years, and Bombay Beach has found a new lease on life, a renaissance of sorts, driven by a different kind of visitor. Enter the artists and creatives who saw potential in this forgotten place. They were drawn to its eerie beauty and the blank canvas it offered. They began repurposing abandoned buildings into stunning art installations and performance spaces. The town started to transform, one mural and sculpture at a time. Since 2016, the Bombay Beach Biennale has turned this ghost town into an artistic haven, drawing in artists, academics, writers, and filmmakers from all over. It's become a melting pot of creativity and innovation. Today, Bombay Beach is a fascinating blend of decay and vibrant art. The juxtaposition of crumbling structures and colorful installations is striking. It's a living testament to the consequences of environmental mismanagement and the incredible resilience of creative expression. The art here often reflects on the environmental issues that led to the town's decline. With new residents moving in and house prices rising, this once-forgotten town is making a comeback. The community is small but growing, with a mix of old-timers and new arrivals. The population might be small and primarily elderly, living in mobile homes and quirky houses, but the spirit of Bombay Beach is anything but quiet. The community is vibrant and full of life. So next time you find yourself in California, take a detour to Bombay Beach. It's a place where history, art, and nature collide in the most unexpected ways. Experience the eerie beauty of its abandoned structures and the vibrant energy of its art installations. It's a place that tells a story of transformation and resilience. It's a journey through time, showcasing the rise, fall, and remarkable revival of a unique desert oasis. From a glamorous resort to a ghost town and now an art hub, Bombay Beach is a testament to the power of reinvention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating history tales. See you next time.